Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on setting up a warmth schedule on the Kindle Paperwhite. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Having the screen warmth high when reading at night is a much more relaxing reading experience. Having a warmth schedule means that you don't have to reset the warmth every time you read at night. From the Kindle homepage, tap the three dots button in the top right. Then tap Settings from the menu. In Settings, tap Device Options. Then tap Warmth Schedule. To the right of Schedule, make sure the toggle is switched on. If Automatic is selected, then the warmth of the screen will gradually change with sunrise and sunset. To set a custom warmth schedule, tap Manual. Now change the start and end times to suit your needs. Below that, you can choose the warmth level that you would like your screen to be during the set time. If you hold down on a number, it will show you the warmth level of that number. Your warmth schedule is now set up. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Kindle tips and tricks.